Hi everyone, ఈ వీడియోలో జీకే పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో 2 టాపిక్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ గవర్నమెంట్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ వరల్డ్స్ ఫేమస్ సివిలైజేషన్స్. సో ప్రపంచ దేశాల్లో ఎన్ని రకాల గవర్నమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, సో కొన్ని ఫేమస్ సివిలైజేషన్స్ ఏంటి, సో డీటెయిల్స్కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. డెమోక్రసీ, రూల్డ్ బై ద పీపుల్. మొనార్కీ, ruled by a king or queen. Absolute monarchy, king or queen has full power. Anarchy, absence of any government. Autocracy, ruled by one person. Next, dictatorship, absolute rule by one leader. Oligarchy, ruled by a few powerful people. Aristocracy, ruled by nobles. Theocracy, ruled by religious leader. Republic, elected head of state. Next, federal government, power shared between central and states. Unitary government, central government holds most power. Parliamentary system, government led by parliament. Presidential system, president is head of state or government. Next, military rule, army controls the government. Totalitarianism, government controls all aspects of life. So this is all about forms of government. So next topic is world's famous civilizations. So here we are going to watch world's famous civilizations. So let's start. First one, the oldest civilization in the world, Mesopotamian civilization. Civilization that lasted the longest, Chinese civilization. Civilization with largest ancient empire, Achaemenid civilization. Civilization with the first cities, Sumerian civilization. Next, civilization that built the pyramids, Egyptian civilization. Civilization with the first law code, Babylonian civilization. Civilization that introduced democracy, ancient Greek civilization. Civilization that built the best roads, Roman civilization. Next, civilization in ancient America, Olmec civilization. Civilization created accurate calendar, Mayan civilization. Civilization that invented the wheel, Sumerian civilization. Civilization that made the first coins, Lydian civilization. Next, civilization that built hanging gardens, Babylonian civilization. So that's all in this video, friends. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. Nenu mi Swati.